Today in the Joy of Cooking, I'll be showing you all 4 different salad recipes or raita recipes. Hi friends, I'm Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar. Let's learn how to make 2 different salad recipes and 2 different raita recipes. Veg mint mayo salad. Take a look at the ingredients to make this salad. We require garlic mayonnaise or eggless mayonnaise, onions, black pepper powder, you may use white pepper, mint leaves, green chilies, coriander leaves, salt, boiled potatoes, cucumber and tomatoes. So first in a mixer jar, I will take the garlic mayonnaise. You may use normal eggless mayonnaise. And then to this I will add the green chilies, mint leaves and coriander leaves. And then make a paste out of it like this, not too fine. Then to this I will add the tomatoes and cucumber, potatoes which are boiled already and onions. And mix everything well and let everything combine nicely. Yes, and this is how it looks. Now to this I will add the salt and black pepper powder. So this is how our salad is ready. It's really healthy and tasty. Broccoli pasta salad. Require blanched broccoli, florets, medium sized. Then pasta, boiled pasta. These are cherry tomatoes, halved. Lemon juice, olive oil, sugar, salt and basil, dried basil. So now in the mixing bowl, I will take the broccoli florets. These are blanched broccoli florets. Then cherry tomatoes, these are halved. Then boiled pasta, you may use fusilli, penne or even farfalle. I am using fusilli. Then give it a quick stir. Now for the dressing, I will mix the olive oil into the lemon juice. 3 teaspoon lemon juice and 1 tablespoon olive oil, sugar and salt as per taste, about half teaspoon each, and basil 1 teaspoon. You may adjust the quantity of the olive oil as per your like and let the sugar dissolve. So once the sugar has dissolved, I will add it to our pasta, broccoli and tomatoes. After adding it, I will toss it with the help of 2 forks. Very gently. Perfect. So this is how our broccoli pasta salad is ready. Veg raita. Fire, curd or yogurt, chilled tomatoes, onions, cucumber, cumin seeds, red chili powder, coriander leaves and salt. In the mixing bowl, I'll take the curd or yogurt which is chilled and then I will whisk it. Let it become smooth. Okay. Once it's smooth, to the curd I will add some salt as per taste. Red chili powder, this is completely optional. Cumin seeds, you may use roasted cumin powder if you want to. And mix it well. Then after it's combined well, I will add the onions which are finely chopped. Cucumber, again peeled and finely chopped. And tomatoes. Okay. And then combine everything well. Mix everything nicely. Okay. And then top it with some coriander leaves. So this is how our veg raita is ready. Veg salad with mustard dressing. Now for the salad we require potatoes. These are boiled, peeled and finely chopped potatoes, not that fine actually, cut into cubes. Then this is iceberg lettuce. This is tomatoes. I have chopped them into cubes. This is carrots. I have just boiled them a little. And these are olives. And this is basil. For the dressing we require olive oil. You may use normal oil, but olive oil will enhance the flavor of the dressing. This is vinegar, black pepper powder. You may use white pepper powder if you want to. This is mustard sauce, and which contains honey, and this is salt. So let's start with the recipe. So in a mixing bowl, we'll just take our olive oil. This is 6 tablespoons of olive oil. Then 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Then 1 teaspoon of mustard. I'll add some pepper, black pepper powder, about 1/4 teaspoon, and salt as per taste. Whisk it and our dressing is ready. Just make sure that everything combines really well. This is ready. So in a mixing bowl, another mixing bowl, we'll take our potatoes, tomatoes. Now you may also use French beans, but just make sure that you cut them into halves and then boil them. And I'm taking carrots. Then I will add some olives. Some basil. Now if you don't have basil, you may add oregano, or again you may repeat this black pepper powder. Salt as per taste. Okay. And we'll mix this well. Just toss it properly with 2 forks. Okay. And now we'll add some lettuce leaves. We'll just tear them and add it. Bite-sized pieces. Yes. And our healthy salad is almost ready now. Just toss everything well. Let everything combine well right now. So now our dressing, as I said, is ready. We'll just whisk it a little and then we'll pour it on our salad. Now you may store this dressing for about 7 days in the refrigerator in an airtight container. Okay, perfect. And then again toss it well and our salad is ready. Okay, now
so this is how our 2 raita and 2 salad recipes are ready. Please do like my video, subscribe to my channel, The Joy of Cooking. Hit the bell icon for the notifications of the new videos that I share. Follow me on Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar signing off. Take care, stay tuned and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.